Hi everyone and welcome to the HTVRONT Christmas Cottage. Let's get ready to embrace the festive season. These Christmas stockings are perfect for transforming into adorable gift bags. We just need to add a bit of decoration to make them shine. Look at this stunning design. I can't wait to show you how to create it step by step. Before decorating this blank stocking, we'll first measure its size to determine the appropriate dimensions for the pattern. Cut HTV into strips of different colors to complete the patchwork design. Use scissors or any other tool that's convenient for you. Here's a handy little trick. Stick the back, non-stick side, of the transfer paper onto the cutting mat. Then, arrange HTV strips of various colors on the transfer paper with even spacing. This way, you can create a complete pattern with the transfer paper. You can choose to arrange the strips vertically, horizontally, or diagonally. Each gives you a unique style. I'm opting for a diagonal arrangement this time. Grab your cutting machine. Here, I'm using the Loquilic iCraft. Head to the Loquilic Idea Studio, and let's tackle the pattern. Click Upload and import the image you want. Clearer images make it easier to identify lines. After the image is identified, click Normal Cut and use the Magic Wand tool to remove unwanted parts according to the color blocks, leaving only the parts you need. Click Next to move to the canvas. Select all layers and adjust the pattern size based on your measurements. Here, my pattern size is approximately 6 inches high and 5 inches wide. Click Make It to proceed. Select the cutting mode and material. Parameters will be set automatically. Don't forget to mirror the design. Select the layer to cut and hit Start to begin cutting. And now the cutting begins. Once cutting is done, it's time for weeding. This part requires patience and precision. This gives you a vibrant, colorful design. Use a sublimation pattern as a base before heat pressing the design. Cut sublimation paper to fit the size of your stockings. Secure it with high-temperature tape. Set the heat press to 385 Fahrenheit degree for 60 seconds. At this point, the Christmas vibes are already coming alive. Now, heat press the beautifully crafted pattern onto the center of the stocking. By the way, transfer paper is heat press friendly, so you can press the entire pattern directly. Look at this gorgeous Christmas stocking. It's making me even more excited for Christmas. That's it for today's video. If you have other Christmas items you'd like me to make, let me know in the comments. See you next time.